Hello, and welcome to our last day in Unit 3, Day 5, Friday, April 30th. Let's see what you have to do for today. It's Friday, that means it's an async day. We will not have class together on Zoom, but I will have office hours and from 10 to 11, and I will be available for conversation practice and for questions. Let's see what you have to do. First, you'll watch the video, then you'll click async. You have two activities. This is your last Spark article of the month if you want to make any kind of progress. Many of you are doing a great job, so keep up the good work. You're going to read Covering the Cost of College. And then your next assignment is your deliverable, and you're going to paraphrase. You're going to read this article about Vice President Kamala Harris, and then you are going to paraphrase the two sentences in blue. As a challenge, you can try to paraphrase the entire paragraph, but we really want you to just paraphrase the sentence in blue. And then you'll post. And that's it for today. Good luck.